For me, I just heard that from Roylan Marlang. I think Roylan Marlang was right. You should not promote terrorism, Paulo Cruzada. Remember, like I said before, that ISIS is a terrorist group. Remember that, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, last 2 years ago, 2024, you attack Jerick Silva and Joseph Maspinas. And no worry, I think Joseph Maspinas had talked with Roylan Marlang in Messenger. He told Roylan na, just like I said, sabi ni Roylan, wag mo nang pansinin si Paulo Cruzada. And I think this Paulo Cruzada, he was scolded by his teacher, right? Oh yes, he was scolded by his teacher, correct. Not only that, it's teacher Marisa. But I praise teacher Marisa that I never want to criticize her. Thank you teacher Marisa Conche for scolding Paulo Cruzada. At least you know teacher Marisa, right? Of course, she is my teacher at the time when I was there in CDIFI. Oh, here's the one thing, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, I know last year you attacked Ronald Rubena. Oh, that was a friend of Denzel Joshua. You know, Paulo Cruzada, Ronald Rubena, he doesn't like terrorism. And as you can see, that Ronald Rubena described that ISIS is a terrorist group. It's a Salafist. It's a radicalism. You know that, Paulo Cruzada. You remember I was told by Jerick Silva. Jerick had said to me uh, about the ISIS. Oh, ISIS is a radicalism. Look at in Mindanao. Paulo Cruzada. Take a look. The ISIS in the Philippines have been defeated. Especially the Islamic State of, what's that? Islamic State of the Philippine province have been already defeated. But Rodrigo Duterte, he defeated the ISIS. Oh, he saved the Christians. He saved the Filipino Shia Muslims from the Marawi siege. And Rodrigo Duterte is a hero. He kills ISIS leaders like Itzilon Napilon and Umar Maute. Just like that. You know, Paulo Cruzada, there is no such things about ISIS in the Philippines. Philippines is no more ISIS. Oh, like for example, Mindanao had no longer existing ISIS. Oh, when I heard from Paulo Cuba in Cotabato, oh, Sir Paulo Cuba says, wala pong ISIS dyan sa Pilipinas, walang ISIS sa Mindanao. He said it. When Jerick Silva talked with Paulo Cua, Paulo Cua, not Paulo Cruzada, I'm talking about Sir Paulo Cua, my friend from CDIFI. Oh, Sir Paulo Cua says there's no ISIS in the Philippines. Oh, all of them in Cotabato is just only his neighbor and his close relatives of Ate Vicky. Oh, you see that, sir? You see that, Paulo Cruzada? Oh, Sir Paulo Cua says, oh, explain it to Ate Vicky while I said before. Oh, and Jerick Silva says that Sir Paulo Cua was in Cotabato. Oh, and andun kaya si Paulo Cua. Oh, you know, uh, Paulo Cruzada. Like I said to you, oh, when your parents had reprimand you, you're grounded to use Facebook, even Messenger. Like I said before, Yvette Cristo Dulce Jurado, had unfriended you in Facebook. Even Ate Charmaine Aloyan, Wawel Romero, Jens Manaid, they unfriended you in Facebook. Even Sir Paulo Cuba. You have to change yourself, Paulo Cruzada. Don't promote terrorism. Just like I was heard from Denzel Joshua and Roylan Marlang, do not promote terrorism. At least I know I didn't really happen to David Gill. I failed to listen to Roylan because I know Roylan, he was a friend of Denzel Joshua. Roylan told me, huwag ka promote ng mga terorismo. Oh, Kawali Coronel said to me, huwag ka mag-promote ng mga terorismo. Oh, they said to me, because you know, Paulo Cruzada, there is an anti-terror law which was signed by Rodrigo Duterte. There's an anti-terror law of 2020. Just like I said to you, Paulo Cruzada, unlike the anti-bomb joke law, the Presidential Decree 1727, that was signed by Ferdinand Marcos Sr., but not anymore. It's already abolished. We have anti-terror law. Oh, like I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, that bomb joke law, it's called it the anti-bomb joke law, is a part of anti-terror law. Oh, which was signed by Rodrigo Duterte. When he was a president of the Philippines, he signed an anti-terror law. Oh, like for example, when you promote, like for example, ISIS, and you say, what is that word you say? Sa booking kong Davao City at Metro Manila, and you say about you're going to bomb the Metro Manila and Davao City. That is an act of terrorism, Paulo Cruzada. Remember, ISIS are the enemy of the Shia Muslims and the Christians, because Christians and Shia Muslims, they are against ISIS. Oh, they're fighting against terrorism like Christians and Shia Muslims. And I am warning you, Paulo Cruzada, that ISIS are Salafist and Sunnis. They are radical. They're not good in Islam. They're evil Islam. Oh, that's truth. What I'm saying. I know I read Wikipedia and Jerick Silva knows it. Oh, kung alam ni Jerick Silva, when Jerick Silva says, oh, wag ganon. You know that. You know, like I said before, you are a special child. Shania Kiana had said to you, do not promote terrorism. Oh. While Paulo Cruzada is already prohibited using social media. Oh, that's not really good. Look at Jens Manaid. He never promote terrorism. Jens is promoting gadgets, oh, cell phones, oh, like that. Me, I'm promoting only in my Facebook, unlike you, Paulo Cruzada, military or Russian armed forces, oh, Iranian armed forces, Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, oh, I promote Russian Spetsnaz, oh, in Facebook. Oh, I'm promoting military. Me, I'm promoting cars. Oh, that's all what I have to do. And I'm not promoting terrorism, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, I'm not promoting terrorism. When Roylan Marlang says, do not promote terrorism. Huwag ka mag-promote ng terorismo.